Let's see how we can write and run C++ code in VS Studio. Before running C++ code, we need to install a C++ compiler. Let's see how we can do that. First, go to Google and let's type MinGW download. And now click on this first result from sourceforge.net. Click on download. Once this is downloaded, open the installer, click next again, continue. Now, as you can see, it is complete. Click on continue, and now you will see a bunch of options here. So these are the compilers that we need to install so that our Visual Studio Code can run C code or C++ code. So first click on this base one, mark for installation, and then click on this GCC G++ and mark this for installation. These two are selected. Click on this installation and click on apply changes. Click on apply, and this will download and install those compilers.
So as you can see, everything is installed. You will see this message, all changes were applied successfully. You may now close this dialog. Now let's close this and open our VS Code.
In VS Code, to run C++ files, we need to install an extension. Type C in your extensions. You can open extensions panel by clicking Ctrl+Shift+X or this icon here in bottom left. You'll see these results. Now click on this first result from Microsoft with this green icon here that says C/C++. Click on this, or you can directly click install here. Anyway, just click on install, and we will be able to run our C++ code after this is installed. Once this is installed, you will see this message, this extension is enabled globally. Now we can create a new C++ project. So to do that, click on file and create a new file. You can just choose text file built in from here. Now you can choose select a language and click on write C and click on C++. Now let's try the C++ code. Now that we have our code ready, click Ctrl S to save it, or you can continue without saving. I'll write my CPP, and now you can run this by going to click on this run and click run without debugging, and you will see these options here. Click on this first from C++ gtb/lldb and click on this first option again, and now as you can see, our compilation has started and we have an error here. So let's fix this error. So we cannot use cout and endl directly. We need to import a namespace, as you might already know. So we'll go using namespace std. Okay, now let's run this again. It will take a few seconds to compile and run. So after it is done, you can click on this debug console, or you might be automatically taken to this debug console. And after a few seconds, this message should be printed. Let's see what's happening in this terminal. So it is still trying to execute. It's still trying to compile and run. So as you can see here, the compilation has finished. Now if you click on debug console, you will see this message here, hello world from C++. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.